This assignment is icons and 3D models, and I just went to the Insert tab, and under icons, there's so many to choose from. You have images, icons, cutout people, stickers, illustrations, and when you're in each of the different categories, there's subcategories that you can choose from. So there's additional within them, and you just keep clicking and inserting as many as you'd like, and you can click multiple ones to select, and you have the little check mark if you're selecting more than one, and then insert. So that's what I've got these, and you can change the color. I changed this one, kind of trying to make it look like Stitch. And then down below here I went to 3D models and I selected all animated models. So they're mini videos. So that was fun to select. And then I decided to take those animated models and create a text box and put a picture behind it or a color. For example, this one's a blue background for the ocean. And then on this one, this is a cartoon background, and I used the animated penguins ice skating. So these are all new features in Word I just wanted to share with you.